Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to fix the Ally Bank transfer pending issue quickly and effectively. If you've ever encountered a pending transfer on Ally Bank and wondered how to fix it fast, you're not alone. Transfers can get stuck for various reasons, but with a clear step-by-step approach, you can resolve this smoothly. First, start by checking your internet connection, as a poor or intermittent connection can delay transaction processing. Make sure you are connected to a stable network and try again. Next, log into your Ally Bank account either through their mobile app or website and review the transfer status details. Sometimes the system will provide a specific reason for the delay, such as pending verification or limits. If you notice pending verification, check your email or messages linked to your account, because Ally Bank may request additional information or authentication. Providing this promptly usually clears the hold. Thirdly, confirm that you have sufficient funds available in your account to cover the transfer amount, including any fees. Insufficient balance is a common cause for transfers to remain pending. Another important step is to verify that the recipient's information, including routing number and account number, is accurate. Any errors here can cause your transfer to stay in pending status or even fail. If all details are correct and funds are sufficient, the next step is to consider the timing. Transfers initiated after business hours or on weekends may stay pending until the next bank processing day. Plan accordingly to avoid unnecessary waits. Additionally, you can try canceling the pending transfer if the option is available, then initiate a new transfer, ensuring all details are entered carefully. Should the problem persist, it is highly recommended to contact Ally Bank customer support. They can provide specific insights about your transaction and help escalate the resolution process if needed. To sum up, fixing a pending transfer on Ally Bank involves checking your internet connection, reviewing account notifications, confirming funds availability, verifying recipient details, considering timing, and reaching out to customer support if necessary. By following these steps, you can minimize delays and handle your transfers with confidence. Remember, always keep an eye on your transaction history and notifications to stay ahead of any issues. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide useful, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.